Hello everyone. In this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will understand how a body, how to move and how to rotate a body in SolidWorks. Let's start. File, new, part and OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting the background plain white and unit system is millimeter grams second. In this exercise, we will understand how to rotate and move a body in SolidWorks. First, we will make any body for in this. I am selecting the front plane, or you can select the top plane. This one. I am selecting I am taking the arbitrary dimensions. This one. This one, another circle, this one. This dimension I am taking 25 mm and this dimension I am taking 50 mm. Okay, and extrude it. Future extrude boss base. I am taking this height as a 80 mm only. But this time this is moving up. I am taking this as a reverse direction. Okay, this one. So this is a body. Now I will make another body on this. Select this face, sketch. You can pause the video and note the dimension. Simple model this I am making here. This one. You make a straight line and then move the cursor ahead and then go back. You will get this radius. And this one. This one. This, select this point, shift this point, this circle, coincident. This point, this coincident. This point, tangent, this point, tangent relation. Okay. Now select this line, this line, symmetric. Okay, this one. This one. Now this line and this line, tangent. This line, circle, tangent. Okay. Select another circle on this point. I am taking the radius of this 10 mm and circle die I am taking 10 mm. Okay, this one, and meet this line at this one, and this dimension I am taking 70 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now select this circle and convert entity. Okay. Now trim, power trim, press left mouse button and drag it. This portion I am trimmed. So our sketch is only this one, this portion, which is highlighting. So I am future extrude boss base. Now I am extruding. I will extrude only 10 mm only. I will extrude 10 mm only, but this is moving up direction. I am reversing this one, but I will take offset from this surface because I am drawing this. I have drawn the sketch on this face. Okay, I will move this sketch from the below, from the sketch plane. Offset, I am taking 10 mm distance, but this is moving up, reverse the direction here, this one. So this sketch is at a distance of 10 mm and 10 mm extrude I have taken. But you take the unmerged edge, this one, because I will rotate and move this one. Okay, this is the body. I am giving the color for this one. From here, click this arrow button and this one, appearance, this one. I am giving this color for the demarcation purpose. I am giving this color. This color you can give this one, this one. So they are the two bodies, but these are, you will see here in the future tree manager here, solid bodies two. This one, this is one body, this is two body. This is not merge. I have not merged this body, this one from this one. So you will see here that these are two bodies, solid bodies two, one extrude and one this body. Okay, this one. Now in the tab section there is a command direct editing, or you can tab, or you can select from here direct editing. Okay, this is this one, direct editing, and here is upper move copy body, move body copy, translate. First is the translate. Select this body, this one. Now these three direction appears, Z, X and Y. But I want to move this body in the Y direction. In above there is a positive direction, below there is a negative direction. Suppose I move it, translate it, move body. Suppose I move it at a distance of Y. This is translate. I will use the translate, not rotate. Not rotate we will use in the next later. Translate, this one. Translate, this is the Y direction. I am moving this in a Y direction at the bottom. Bottom is minus. Suppose I move 20 mm. This one. But this is going up. Reverse the direction from here. Okay. This way, this is moving. If you uncheck, suppose you uncheck, hit the right button. Don't uncheck copy button. Then what will happen? You see this one. Original body disappears. So I want to keep original body. Make a copy here. Make a copy and move body. This one. This way. This body has been moved. Okay. Now I want to rotate this body. I want to rotate this one. Right click, direct editing, move body, and now this time you use from here. Click this rotate button. Earlier I have used translate. Now I am using rotate button. This one. This is the rotate button. First is you in view header tool. There is a this. This is the view header tool. Hide and show item, click OK. Click view temporary axis. Okay. Now select this item. This one. This item. Now you rotate it. In rotate section, you select this axis. Select this axis and angle give. Whatever angle you want to give. Suppose I want to give it 90 degree. Okay. This one, this way. In this way, this body moves, rotates. Suppose you want to make a copy of original body, check this item, copy button, this one. Both body remains. So I don't want first body, edit and uncheck this copy body, this one. In this way, we can rotate and move a body in the SolidWorks. I hope you would have enjoyed in this my exercise. You please subscribe my this channel and this one. You will see here in the design tree manager, future tree manager, there are the three bodies, separate body. One is this one, second is this one, and third is this one. Because this body I have kept unmerged. You have to please note this point. You have to keep this body unmerged first. Then you move and rotate. Okay. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.